Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will start chapter number 9, dispersion of light. As you know, light is a form of energy and it can travel from one place to another place without having any medium. In this chapter we will study about phenomena or processes of that occurs due to properties of light. The first one is the refraction. We know light doesn't need a medium to travel, and it travels at different speeds in different medium. Light travels fastest through the vacuum and slowest through the solids. And this medium can be solid, liquid, gas or vacuum. And these mediums or objects can be of three types: transparent, translucent and opaque objects. In transparent object, light can easily pass, and in translucent object some amount of light can pass but not the whole, while in opaque objects no amount of or zero amount of light can be passed. So light can pass through the transparent medium, and when it passes, it changes its speed and direction, and this changing or bending is called refraction. But when light falls perpendicular to the medium, it does not change its direction. Here you can see the diagram in which there are two mediums, air and glass. Light enters from air to the glass. When incident ray enters from air into the glass, it changes its speed and direction, and it bends, and this bending is called refraction of light. The light that enters from a medium is called incident ray, and the light that changes its direction is called reflected ray, and the light that emerges out or comes out of the medium is called emergent ray. While the imaginary or dotted line, you can see the dotted line here, that is perpendicular to the incident ray. This line is called the normal, and the angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. Angle of incidence is represented by small I, and angle of refraction is represented by letter small r. From here you can learn the definition of all the important terms used in this phenomena.